The supplementary heating system is supplied with fuel from the vehicle fuel tank and can be used when the vehicle is in motion or stationary. Before using, ensure that you have a sufficient amount of diesel in the tank. The space heater is controlled through the small panel found to the right of the control panel above the main slide door. To wake up the controls, push the dial button. You will see three options: timers, heating and ventilation. For heating, rotate the dial to select and press to confirm. Choose from Eco, Normal or Boost. Then use the dial to select your desired temperature and push in again to confirm. The power button light will go from white to green to signify it is now activated. It will typically take around 2 minutes to fully engage. If you push the dial in again, it will give you some timer options. The infinity symbol is for continuous use, or you can spin the dial to select an amount of time for it to stay on. To turn the heating off, push the main power button and the light will go back to white. To use the ventilation, spin the dial again and push in to select. Then select the level you want and push in again to confirm. Choose how long you want the ventilation on for. The light will turn blue to show the ventilation is now running. To turn off or go back to the main menu, push the power button and the light will go back to white.